guys, good afternoon. This is Maria Smith, your Senior Credit Specialist with KCMS. I just wanted to reach out to those of you that have been calling us for years. I have gotten so many calls and emails this week from people that have seriously been reaching out to us since 2015 and 16. They're like, hey, Maria, I'm tired of having low credit scores. I'm tired of having high interest rates. I want to get another car, but my interest rate is too high, or I want to start a small business, but I can't because of my credit. I'm tired of paying deposits on utility bills and, apartment fees. And, the list just goes on and on and on. Life does happen. And so until you make the commitment to begin working on your credit, and I'm not talking about, 2, 3, 4 months, realistically, you've got to be committed 7 to 9 months on average, if not longer. That's nothing to try to scare away anybody. I just try to make sure people don't have unrealistic expectations. If your plan is to just wait 7 years to let everything fall off, that's going to be thousands of dollars you're going to be wasting on interest rates between now and then. And then, the statute of limitations is changing all the time. Interest rates are getting higher, and those with low credit scores are the ones that are paying the most. So having low credit scores is too expensive, guys. You've got to commit to your credit. Let's put together an action plan. Call me. Let's do a credit evaluation, determine if you qualify for a credit program. If you choose not to work with our company, that's perfectly fine. I don't want you to, I know we can't help everybody. That's understandable, but I do want to make sure that you are not scammed, and make sure you choose a company that's not going to dispute online. You don't want to pay somebody, or you don't want to go online yourself and just click a bunch of buttons and expect all these great results. That's being cheap and lazy. I'm sorry, that's the truth. But you want to make sure it's going to be done in writing. There's going to be somebody that's going to educate you along the way. We educate our clients about how to build their credit. Our job is to help you clean up your credit, but we also need to educate you on how to rebuild your credit using the right strategies. There's a method to this whole madness. So you've got to be understanding, or you've got to understand how it works. Otherwise, you're going to be frustrated, and you're never going to understand, why can't I get my credit scores to a 700, or why can't I get over this threshold? And it's because you don't understand how the whole circle of credit works. But that is our job. We are here to educate you and work with you hand in hand as much as we possibly can. We don't like taking up a lot of your time, but it is important that you give us at least 15 minutes every few months to schedule a one-on-one with me, so that I can give you some guidance, give you the education you need to make sure you're not only successful in credit repair, but to make sure you understand by the time you graduate from our credit program how to keep your credit in good standing, and not have the excuse of I didn't know, or I don't know what I shouldn't be doing or what I should be doing. All right, so I am looking forward to finally working with some of you. And if you have any questions, let me know. My contact information is going to be in the description below. And let's do this credit evaluation. Let's see if you need credit repair or not. All right, talk to you soon. Have a blessed evening. Bye-bye.